Let's create an action in Safetyculture. The Actions feature allows you to identify, track, and complete tasks as a team. Whether you're highlighting a problem during an inspection or creating a standalone task on the go, Actions help you get work done. In this tutorial, we'll take a look at how to create a standalone action, create an action in an inspection, and how to create an action from an asset. First, let's create a standalone action on the mobile app. From the Action screen or Home screen, tap the plus icon. Start by entering a title and description. Then add a priority level, a due date, and an assignee. These details make it easy for your team to track and complete the action. To add more context, you can also include a site, asset, or label. I'll add a site so my team knows exactly where this action is needed. Let's skip ahead as I add the details. Once the action is created, the status can be updated here. Go to the Activity tab to collaborate with team members and stay updated on everyone's interactions. Now let's create an action in an inspection. Go to the Inspection screen and start an inspection. Let's jump right into this daily store walkthrough. To create an action in an inspection, tap Action on any question. You may even be prompted to create one depending on how you answer the question. I'll quickly add the details for our promotional display action. While filling out any action is a familiar process, let's enhance this one with a few key additions. For example, select an action type. I'll select Store Displays. Selecting an action type will show custom fields that are relevant to this task. You can also link templates to action types that require a more detailed inspection. Then easily add a template here. I'll link our checklist for building new displays. Now when the assignee opens this action, they can use this template to start an inspection right away. Once the action is created, it will also appear on the report for this inspection. Finally, let's create an action from an asset. Head to the More screen, then go to Assets. Select an asset. On the asset profile, tap the plus icon and tap Create Action. Then select an action type and enter all the details. That's just a few ways you can create actions in Safetyculture. Actions can also be created from many other places to streamline your workflow. Add actions to maintenance plans to ensure assets are up to date on service. If your team reports an issue, create an action to ensure it gets resolved. And close incidents faster by adding existing actions or creating new ones directly from an investigation. To learn about all the places where you can utilize actions in Safetyculture, search Create Actions in our Help Center. For this and more on actions, head to help.safetyculture.com.